Maggie's about to climb in to let them have some food, and they know that Maggie's around because they've all started waking up and moving. We got Miss Pink, Mr. Blue, they're yawning, Mr. Red, and Mr. Gold, Miss Burgundy, Mr. Green just fell over, Mr. Yellow, and that's Miss White here making a little noise. Nope. Yeah, that's Miss White. Alright. Maggie, come on in. I'll try and let you see them walking around here once they see and know that she's there. Alright, lay down. There's Mr. Gold, he's heading in there. Miss Pink's a little confused. Red and Blue are just going, hey, where are we going? In the meantime, the rest of them are heading for the food. Oh, there goes Mr. Yellow. Wrong side, buddy. Kind of like the Three Stooges. They keep tripping over each other, but they haven't made over to the food yet. There, Miss Pink. Oh, just got smacked by Maggie. Here come the other two. They go, hey, we found it. They all tend to go for the milk in the back. Oh, there's somebody gets stuck in their head, not the other end. Talk about a feeding frenzy. Wow. Well, Maggie decided to get out. So this is what happens when the food source leaves. There's Mr. Gold. Yes, it really is as chaotic as it sounds.